Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be taking a look at some cases here from Benks for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. I also got a tempered glass screen protector right here as well, which we will take a look at. I have been using it on my device and it has been working out great so far. But over here to my right is the Montage series case, and over here to my left is their Aurora Armor Air series. Both very slim cases. They're not going to provide your device too much protection. They're more to, protect from light falls and scratches and just giving your phone some great style and still keeping it nice and slim. But both look great. But we will go ahead and start off with the Montage case over here, which is the one that I have been personally using the most out of the two, only because it does provide a little bit more protection. Now, if you take a quick look at the case that it comes in, as you can see, it is thin and light, enhanced impact resistance, built with dew point Kevlar. So this is made with that Kevlar material. So let's go ahead and take a quick close look at it right here. And this is what it's going to look like on your Galaxy Z Fold 6. Look at that protection that we're getting for the cameras in the back. So that is some good protection there. Nice deep cutout. Got that silver ring around it, looking really nice. And just the overall design itself in the back, looking really nice as well. Really soft to the touch, a little bit of texture you can feel as well. And then going over to the hinge, we also have some protection for the hinge over here on the side as well. Look at that. And then if you open it up, it's still going to protect that hinge. Now this is a one-piece case, so there is no protection for this top portion, as you can see here, which is kind of a bummer. I wish they would have at least, gave us like a little thin piece to put over the top, but that's where their tempered glass screen protector comes in. As you can see, I do currently have on the device itself. Let me go ahead and turn up the brightness here. There we go. And as you can see there, you can't even tell that there is a screen protector on this front display right here. And it's actually been really good and very responsive. I'm able to use the phone perfectly fine with this tempered glass screen protector on. I can't even tell that it is on the device. Looking really good. And installing it was very easy. They provided a tray to line up perfectly. You just clean, wipe down, and throw that screen protector right in the middle of the tray. It's perfectly aligned and you're good to go. Super easy to install. Maybe I'll make a separate video on this screen protector right here, but this is what's going to protect the front of your device, only because this is a one-piece case. But let me go ahead and push the case off of the phone here. There we go. And this is what it's going to look like. So as you can see, there is a like this strip back here that you can pull off for some adhesive to keep it more secure on your Galaxy Z Fold 6. But I didn't do that because I'm going to be switching back and forth for this video. But even without taking that off, it still stays pretty secure on my Galaxy Z Fold 6. So you can see this part kind of flaps out like this. This is the hinge protector, but the inside as well has got that nice texture, nice soft to the touch feel to it. Got some Benks branding there at the bottom, built with Kevlar, as you can see. And look at how thin this case is. Like I said, this case isn't, it's not made to provide your phone that major protection. It's just provided to protect it from scratches, light falls, light drops, and to give it just some cool style and still keeping your phone nice and thin. Definitely doesn't add too much weight to your device. As you can see, we have an opening there for the power button, the volume rockers. Now the power button is a little bit tough to get to, only because this part pops up a little bit right here, which is good because it is going to protect the power button and volume rockers, but you kind of got to put a little bit more force to get in there to the power button. And then the volume rockers at the same time as well. If you look down at the bottom, of course, we have precise cutouts for the charging port, the microphone, of course, nothing covering that top part up there. Going to the other end, of course, we have nothing covering this part again as well, but we do have precise cutouts for those microphones as well. So they're not gonna cover it up if you do happen to be recording video. But overall, very nice looking case. I'm actually really liking it, and I love that it doesn't add too much bulk to my Galaxy Z Fold 6, because that's one of the things I love this year about this device, is how they were able to make it, it's just a bit thinner than last year's model, and it just feels lighter. It feels so good in the hand. And then adding this case on doesn't add too much of that bulk. So feeling really good in the hand. Now it is not MagSafe compatible, but it is wireless charging compatible and reverse wireless charging compatible as well. So again, this is the Montage series case along with that tempered glass screen protector. As you can see here on the box, it does say HD clarity and transparency, enhanced explosion proof. scratch resistance. Like I said, the screen protector has been working out great. But again, this is the Montage series. Let's go and take a look at the next one. So next up is the Aurora Armor Air series case right here. Really loving the design in the back and the colors as well. Looking really, really nice. This is also a one-piece case, but the only difference is that this one does not come with that hinge protection there on the sides. But let me bring over the box over here really quick. So as you can see, it is scratch resistant, full protection, light and durable, and it is also built with a dew point Kevlar as well. So let's go ahead and pop it on the device itself. Taking a quick look at the inside, as you can see, still getting that design and texture on the inside as well, and adhesive as well if you do want to go ahead and use that. Popping it on the device is very easy, nice and simple. Snaps on there, really good. As you can see, we got a nice protection for the camera lenses in the back there, a nice deep cutout. So if you do happen to accidentally drop it or just slide it around on its back, should protect those lenses in the back. But look at how nice this looks right here on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Like I said, super lightweight, super slim. Of course, just like the previous case, we're not going to get protection for the volume rockers and the power button, although it is a bit raised. So if you do happen to accidentally drop it on its side, it should still protect at least those volume rockers, because the power button itself is recessed in. And the power button on this one is actually a lot easier to get to with this case right here, and the volume rockers as well. Going to the top, got precise cutouts for those microphones. Down to the bottom, precise cutouts for the microphone and the charging port as well. If you open this up, as you can see, the hinge will be protected either way when the phone is open, even without a case, but when it is closed, that hinge is going to be exposed. So just like this one right here, we are not, or compared to this one right here, we are not going to get that hinge protection. So it's really going to be up to you on whether or not you do want that hinge protection. Of course, it's going to add just a little bit more bulk here on the side. Maybe you don't want that. Maybe you just want something simple, something that's going to protect your phone, you know, from light scratches, maybe some light falls. This paired with the tempered glass screen protector on the front might just be enough protection for a lot of people. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. I'm really loving the look and feel of this case right here. Like I said, keeps your phone nice and slim and nice and lightweight. But of course, opening up isn't the easiest. It does make it a little bit easier just because of the little lip that we get right here. But of course, this side, you're gonna have to, you know, kind of put a little bit more pressure in there. Already without a case, it's not the easiest phone to open up. A case will always make it a bit easier to open up. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Of course, this is the Armor Air series and then the Montage series over here to the right. And if you find yourself interested in any of these cases and the tempered glass screen protector right here, I'll make sure to drop a link down in the description below so you can check one out for yourself. Thank you so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.